Hello student, today we start exercise 6.2 chapter 6 lines and angles of class 9th. Statement is on your screen. Find the values of x and y. Then show that AB is parallel to CD. To find x and y. Student always will try to make figure right hand side of the page, then given to find and solution. Solution. Angle x plus 50 makes 180. Put reason here. Linear pair. X 180 minus 50 becomes 130. Angle y also 130 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Since both angle x and y equals to 130 degree, both are equal. What type of these angles? These angles are alternate interior angle. We will write here like this. These are alternate interior angles. If these two angles are equal, then AB is parallel to CD. Symbol of therefore AB parallel to CD by converse of parallel lines. पैरेलल का सिंबल होता है therefore, sometime we call it so, because अगर ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल हो तभी लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी, जिसको आप क्या बोलते हैं, कन्वर्स ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस. वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन आवर introduction of parallel lines already. If lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Sum number 2. If AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, ratio Y ratio Z 3:7, find X. Given from the statement only. To find X, solution. Since AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, so क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास, तीनों ही लाइन आपस में पैरेलल हो जाएंगी. AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Reason, lines parallel to the same line. Let the ratio. Here we will take ratio A. Because क्यों लेंगे A? क्योंकि आपको X फाइंड करना है. अगर आप X ही ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर तो मिक्स हो जाएगा और उसको सॉल्व करने में दिक्कत आएगी. Then angle Y 3A, angle Z 7A. See, angle X equals to angle Z. Reason: alternate interior angles. Symbol of angle apostrophe S becomes angles. X plus Y equals to 180. Same side of the transversal, sum of two interior angle is 180, called supplementary angle. X equals to Z 7A. Put the value. Solving. A is 18. X, that is 7A. 7 into 18. You can use rough work area for the multiplication. It becomes 126 degree, which we have to find. Answer. Now the next, sum number 3. Important question. AB is parallel to CD. Dear student, when you do geometrical part, touch the figure always. Make figure at the right hand side, then given टू फाइंड है तो टू फाइंड लिखेंगे, टू शो है तो टू शो लिखेंगे, टू फाइंड पर सॉल्यूशन और टू शो पर प्रूफ. EF is perpendicular to CD, symbol of perpendicular, 90 degree. And angle GED 126 degree. To find angle AGE, GEF, FGE. Solution. AGE, parallel. GE is transversal. What type of these two angles? Alternate interior angle. AGE is equals to 126 degree. Reason: alternate interior angles. Next, GEF. 126 में से 90 माइनस कर दो. GED of 126 minus 90 becomes angle GEF of 36 degree. Next, FGE. आप इन दोनों से भी निकाल सकते हैं लीनियर पेयर से. आप इन दोनों से भी निकाल सकते हैं सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. AGE plus FGE equals to 180. Reason: linear pair. AGE 126, FGE we have to find, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहेगा. It makes 54 degree. At last we will write the answer. Keep smiling, student. God bless everyone. Thank you.